Hello guys and welcome back again, and for today's video, so this is still part of our camping last summer, this 2024, and then this was our last day in the what's this, Drumheller. And Kai loves this area here in Drumheller, the water park, and that's why we decided to go back again. I think we've been here like 3 times during our camping in what's this, Horseshoe Canyon campground, because that's where we stayed at. As you can see, there were so many children as well because it's summertime, as you expected, and we didn't really stay long that time. We went home because it's almost evening and we have to prepare for our dinner and getting ready also, because we are planning to move to the other town here in Alberta, which is the Waterton. So Waterton is actually a national park also here in Canada. That's gonna be our next campground that we will be camping or visiting. And the next day, I mean in the morning, we did visit again this place here in Drumheller, because that first time we visited here, it was weekend and there were so many people that we were like, okay, we're not gonna like add this crowd, so we decided to go back again instead the next day. And this is it. This was morning. During this time, this was morning, so less people, like we're like only,
you see home,
I think 3 cars. When we arrived there was like 1, and then after that we arrived, and then later on there were also like I think 2 cars coming, so there were like really few people. And it was nice because it's not really like the last or the first time we came that there were it was like pack of people. And yeah, so I think that's a good time also if you wanna go this place here in Drumheller, the Hoodoo. I think it's better to go early in the morning, and then also during weekday, because I think if you're going during weekends, expected there will be a lot of people. So this is it's very quiet. So this was really nice, but we didn't really go up because there's like a trail going up like to the to the highest hill right here, but we did not hike anymore, or going up, because I think this is good enough already, and we did so much hike already also to the Horseshoe Canyon. If you did watch that what's this, hiking, so we did not go anymore for hiking this time.
or 7:30.
7:55.
Yeah.
So after Hoodoo, because we left our trailer, because it was so early when we decided to visit really the Hoodoo. And after that, we just ate our breakfast and then attached this trailer to the truck, and then we drove already going to the Waterton. So this is already our way to Waterton. As you can see, it's really nice during this time. Still green, the leaves of the trees and all, the grass still fresh, looking fresh. So yeah, it's really nice also during summer when you drove around, especially this area, you know, less traffic. It's like nobody's in the road, only you. So this was our first time driving in this side of Alberta, so it was really nice. It's so refreshing to see this kind of stuff, you know, those massive land, and there's a lot of wheat crops right here. And I think since it's like almost end of summer, I think it's already like, you know, harvest time. So as you can see, there's like, I don't know what kind of machine is that, but they're harvesting already the wheats. This is so impressive to see this kind of stuff, you know, like coming from a country which is a small country, and you know, it's so impressive to see this, how big their land or their agricultural land here, and their machineries, of course. So we're near already in Waterton, and as you can see, if you're going to Waterton, you will definitely see this wind turbines. There were so many of them. It's not only on my right side, they were also on my left side. So it was so fascinating to see them. And anyway guys, we will show you later on our camping in Waterton next video. So see you for the next video, and if you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell as well, so you will be notified for the next coming video. Thank you for watching. Bye!